All right, so here we are. We have the cylinder head off, and you can see the top of the piston. We're about ready to get that out and see how that looks, but we have everything obviously off. Valve cover, the cams, and the cam covers, the tensioner, and here's the head. Didn't really see anything bad. All the valves under there, if you can see them. Didn't really look at them too closely. We can clean that up if everything proves to be okay, but haven't seen anything suspicious yet. So next would be to take the cylinder out, and inspect the sides of the piston. All right, so I think we're getting somewhere. I don't know, the cylinder and the piston just don't seem to be worn as bad as I thought I would expect to see. But, and working on it and messing with it, and it seems like the crank shaft has a lot of play. You can just hear it. And that, I'm sure, was the noise. But looking at some schematics, it looks like we got to split the whole motor in half, which it's split right down here, to get at those bearings. They don't come out from the outside, they come out from the inside. So the next thing, I guess, would be to take the whole motor out, which it's halfway out now, so that's what we're going to do next. All right, so we're ready to get this motor out. Have all the wires and hoses and whatnot disconnected. A couple engine mounts here on the front sides, both sides there. One underneath, there's one bolt, and then the bare of it all was the main bolt through here. Goes through the swing arm and the back of the motor. Had to use heat and lots of persuasion with metal bars, little sledgehammer, knock it through to the left side here, and it finally came through. So probably just, it should have had some more grease. Looks like it has some on it, but should have had more grease on it when it was put together. So we have it out enough that the motor's free. We're going to put it back through just so we can move it around. Just get the motor out. We're ready to go. So.